Guys, this is one of the most amazing air fryer shrimp that I have ever made. Do you want to know how I made it? Just check it out. Okay guys, we start off with the 3/4 of a cup of shredded coconut. This is unsweetened coconut. Then 3/4 of a cup of panko. Give it a nice shake so they are well incorporated. And then 3/4 of a cup of coconut water. This will add even more coconut taste and flavor to our shrimp. And then we're gonna add 1 egg. Very simple. This is our egg wash. Let's mix it real quick. Then in another container I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of salt. And that's it. Now I start with the shrimp. This is a deveined, cleaned shrimp. I put in the cornstarch first. Then I dip into the egg wash. And then as last step, I make sure that all the coconut and panko mixture is well in a uniform layer on top of our shrimp. This will give us, crunchiness and then the coconut flavor that we are looking for. I have here about 12 shrimp, and in this case I'm gonna split 6 and 6. I will show to you in a while a little bit of a twist that we can do for making like a slightly different recipe. So as you can see here, just follow along step by step, one by one our shrimp. Here you go. And then I'm gonna add my twist. So a teaspoon of yuzu sauce in the egg wash. Make sure they are well incorporated. And then lemon zest in the panko and coconut mixture. This will give us a lemony and sour sweet flavor that you will see in the wife test. It really hit the spot. Okay, so what I'm doing here, it's exactly the same process as we done before. So I dip my shrimp in the cornstarch, then as a second step in the coconut yuzu water, and then as a third step in the panko mixture. Let's make sure that there is everything in this mixture. So a little bit of coconut, a little bit of panko, and a little bit of lemon. This will give us a very, very interesting flavor profile to the overall dish. Again, work one by one. Make sure that the shrimp is well coated, the coated is uniform, so for maximum and best results. And here we go, real quick. It's gonna be a little bit messy as always, but we like that. Now preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes at 350 as always. Today I'm using my Philips air fryer. I like to use a little bit of spray oil on the in the air fryer. And then one of the most important steps, as I always say, make sure that your food is layered down in one uniform layer to allow the airflow to pass through all your food. Put in. I'm gonna cook at 350 for about 4 to 6 minutes. I experimented, and you will see in the wife test later. I think 4 minutes is way better than 6. So I strongly recommend to cook a little bit less than 6 minutes. This is how they look like after, the 4 minutes of cooking. So I'm gonna flip it over the shrimp to get a uniform cooking. Then I'm gonna spray a little bit of coconut oil on top. And for the last part, I'm gonna cook at 400 degrees for about 1-2 minutes, no more than that. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a like. And while I'm plating this beautiful shrimp for giving to my wife test, keep watching because it's gonna be really fun. Alright guys, wife test for this air fryer shrimp. And let's dig in.
Wow, it smells so good.
So they smell amazing, and they look amazing. Okay, this is just a little bit of sriracha sauce, but I think I'll try plain first. Smells coconut.
That's pretty yummy.
They definitely need the heat.
Yeah.
All the sauce. When you have the
I kind of miss the grease of them being fried.
I don't think so. That's really good.
Uh-oh. We have somebody
That's
else
okay.
who wants to try some.
Some fish. So they're really crunchy. They need the sauce for, you know, spicy sauce, sweet and spicy sauce. It's nice. It's a good compliment. They are super crunchy. And they are beautiful.
Yummy.
Super nice, super good. Okay, this is the first one. Then we're gonna try the yuzu version in 1 second. Alright guys, second test with you know, the more fancy one. Alright,
This is with your twist.
this is my twist.
Ooh, hot.
Hot. Just came out of the fryer. Wow,
What do you think?
better.
I think they're better too.
Well, I noticed on the first one, to be totally honest with you, they were a little bit dry, so I reduced the cooking time a couple of minutes less, and then yeah,
You know what this is like?
yeah,
It's like lime and coconut.
yeah,
You put the lime in the coconut.
they are delicious.
It gives it a little more like interesting
Yeah,
depth
they are
of
like,
flavor.
you know, spicy.
Have another one?
Sure. Spicy, lemony, and crunchy. They are delicious. Definitely reduce the timing. Cooking time was right, and they are absolutely
The shrimp
delicious.
is juicier too.
This shrimp
Nice.
is juicier. It's nice, and then I add on sriracha. Mix sriracha with a little bit of fresh lemon juice, and really have that kick. So, guys, try this. They are amazing. So yummy. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm Daniel Dinunzio. I'm your air fryer geek. And stay tuned for more air fryer recipe. See you next time.